Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Standard Office 2024 from the Microsoft website. Let's go start. Just open any web browser, type here for the Office customization tool, and press Enter. The first link is from Microsoft. We'll go ahead. Which architecture do you want to system? And find My System Architecture. I choose the 64-bit. Select Office Suites product, and I choose Office LTSC Standard 2024 for volume license. Scroll down. Now Office Apps Customization, for example, does not use OneDrive Desktop, OneNote, etc. Next click. Must be select primary language and I choose the English US. Next click. Next click. Next click. Next click. Next click. Finally click on Finish. On the right side and click Export. See the new interface and select the box Keep Current Settings. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Finally click on Export. Again go to the browser and open new tab, type Office Deployment Tool for searching bar. The first link is from Microsoft. We'll go ahead and download these tools. Click Download. Go to the download file and copy the Office tool and configuration file. Create a new folder on the local C drive. Choose any name, and I'm selecting Office 2024. And paste it for already copy file. Select Office Deployment Tool and right-click on it and run as administrator. Click Yes, this one, continue. Click. It's going to ask us where we want to store the extracted files and put them on already created folder Office 2024. Delete the following file. Search for command prompt and click the top result to open the console. Run as administrator. Type here cd space and creating folder location path, press Enter. Now type here following command setup.exe/configure configuration.xml. We're getting thing ready. This process going to take a while based on how fast internet connection you have, because this will download around 2 to 5 GB of data. We'll be done in just a moment. Click Start to view apps. Word, let's open it. And there we go. Here we can see we have successfully installed. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, Follow and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.